Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Do you have some dried ginger at home? Now we're going to talk about what you can use these dried ginger for and what it has personally helped me with, what it's actually known for, and let's get started. So dried ginger root, it's being used mainly in China, and it's mainly used to help in stimulating and warming the body. And with the body, I mean the areas of the lungs and the stomach. So it's mainly used for any sort of digestion upset, any form of excess mucus as well. And it's really effective because it has a lot of yang energy, and yang energy is known as restorative. And in the West, it's also being used for travel sickness, for nausea. They've done trials that have been successful in proving that dried ginger root is important to help in relieving severe sickness in pregnancy as well. So I'll include any of the studies and trials relating to the use of dried ginger in the description box below. I'll also include other information that you would like to know regarding this. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe, share, like. I'd love to have you on board, and don't forget to click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.